How to find your wallet address on Binance. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on Binance of any cryptocurrency. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the Binance app and now tap on your wallet to go to your wallet. So here is the wallet, tap on it here in the bottom right, and once you're on your wallet, tap on deposit. Then here tap on crypto. Now the thing is that each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address. So open the cryptocurrency you want to receive. So for example, if I want to receive Cardano, tap on Cardano. I will tap on Cardano, and then here you have to select the network. So here it says, please note that the only supported networks on Binance platform are shown. If you deposit via another network, your asset may be lost. So you have to carefully select the network. After selecting network, here you will see your Cardano wallet's QR code, and here is the wallet address. To copy the wallet address, you can tap on this copy button and the wallet address will be copied. If you want to share this directly wallet address, tap on here share address in the bottom right, and from here you can choose Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Telegram, WhatsApp and etc. So this is how you can find your wallet address on Binance of any cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.